Morning, everyone. Uh, now I want to talk about a topic differential microphone array speed enhancement based on post filtering. And as we know that the demand of the noise suppression in almost speed processing application like speech recognition, hearing aids, cell phones, surveillance equipment, smart home application to work anytime and anywhere makes them have the capacity of reducing the effect of annoying disturbance like background noise interference, third party or surrounding vehicle transport to decrease the degradation of decided target talker in terms of speed quality and speed intelligibility. The single and multiple microphone noise reduction approach are often applied for signal processing. Spectral estimation technique is the most widely implemented in a single channel technique, such as subspec method, linear filter, and spectral subtraction are based on the calculation of the noise power with assumption that the uh, background noise are stationary or under the fusion with ambient speed noise. Unfortunately, in the realistic situation, the background noise is non-stationary. Therefore, the utilizing of microphone arrays is an effective approach to solve this problem. And microphone arrays and the using of microphone array for extracting the desired talker and the implementation of microphone array in time frequency domain. In this slide, the author present the signal of using the signal model, which using the differential microphone array beamforming and the obtained beamforming which received from to opposite direction and uh, and now the also proposes one of the using post filter for further eliminated the noise level. And the central idea of the circuit post filtering is based on the estimation of the noise power, and the MMSE estimator is used for estimation of spectral gain, and the calculated formulation for a priori SNR and a posteriori SNR as the following equation. And in this slide, the author illustrate the experiment and the research as we can see that from figure 8 and 9, the waveform of the processed the author previous research and the waveform processed by the additive post filtering and the obtained energy between this signal and the increasing of the speed quality in the term of the signal to noise ratio. And thanks for the attention.